While most kids look forward to summer, the break from the classroom raises a lot of challenges for parents. Many are left wondering where their next meal will come from.
That's right, and in Middle Georgia this summer, school programs are packing up more lunches than ever. 41 NBC's Jasmine Williams brings us more.
According to the Georgia Food Bank Association, 1 in 4 kids suffer from hunger. Now, this statistic may be even more true during the summer, as this empty playground behind me may represent empty stomachs for many kids in our area. No school equals no lunch for many Middle Georgia students who depend on the school districts for their midday meal.
Well, we know that hunger does not take a vacation during the summer. These students, many of our students, depend on our school lunches during the school year in order to have good nutrition.
For decades, the Bibb County school system has partnered with the USDA for the free lunch program.
Thank you.
Federal budget cuts and economic instability are increasing the numbers and the need. This past year, families taking advantage of the service nearly doubled.
Okay, you want?
Last year, Bibb County schools dished out 5,000 meals a day. Today, they served more than 10,000 kids with plans to expand into Twiggs County. In an effort to combat the challenges in the hot summer months, volunteers are coming up with fresh ways to serve. They've set up shops in churches, community centers, and schools in the neediest parts of the county.
They may even be under a shade tree. We have a school bus that also makes a couple of routes, and so we have students to come, get their meals, sit on the school bus, eat their lunches, and then can return back to where, their homes.
For this mother of 4, the free meals make all the difference.
It keeps me having to worry about making an extra meal, being that it's summertime now. They provide one for lunch, so all I have to worry about is breakfast and dinner.
The free lunch program is funded by the USDA. Now, any child can take advantage of this program. All they have to do is show up. I've posted a list of the locations on our website at 41NBC.com. In Macon, Jasmine Williams, 41 NBC News.